at a whopping 29,000 RPM. This cordless router from Ryobi will help you with your specialty woodworking projects, either around the home or on the professional job site. The easy grip rubber coating allows you to handle this in the most slippery of conditions, making precise cuts or bit changes with ease. Don't worry about having to break out an Allen wrench or other tool to adjust your cutting depth. Either an onboard knob does that job for you, making your job that much more simple. It has ID markings, too, so you can tell the exact depth of your current project. It's compact, too, so handling will be easy, especially on smaller projects. Plug in one of Ryobi's 18 volts batteries, and you'll be good to go on any number of jobs. With Ryobi, you can be sure that the job will be done right. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. LED lighting. A set of LED lights onboard this unit allows you to see your project clearly in less than optimal lighting conditions. Number 2. Grip zone over mold. Maintain a firm grip with the rubber coating that allows precision handling, even in slippery conditions. Number 3. Depth adjustment knob. Don't worry about having to use a tool. Fine-tune the depth of your cuts with the onboard, easy-to-use knob. Number 4. Aluminum base. This sturdy base will keep this compact power tool stable while you perform a variety of tasks around the home or job site. Number 5. OnePlus compatible. A variety of Ryobi 18 volts lithium-ion batteries are compatible with this tool. Compatible battery models include the P100, P102, P103, P104, P105, P107, and P108, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.